Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Kukai Wallet not working issue. Kukai Wallet is a popular Tezos wallet used to send, receive and manage XTZ and NFTs, but sometimes the Kukai Wallet may not open, fail to connect or stop working properly. So if you're facing a Kukai Wallet not working issue, don't worry. In this guide I'll show you step by step how to fix Kukai Wallet problem quickly and safely. So first what you have to do is you need to check your internet connection. Go to your notification setting here and first make sure your internet connection is stable. Kukai Wallet requires a strong internet connection to connect with your Tezos network. Switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. Restart your route if needed. A weak connection can cause Kukai Wallet to load endlessly or fail to sync. Also refresh or reload the Kukai Wallet. If you're using Kukai Wallet in a browser, you can simply refresh the page, but if you have using your Kukai Wallet app, you can simply open it and you can simply go back and reopen it and close the app. And sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary glitches. And also make sure to update your device or your Kukai Wallet app. What you have to do is simply go to your app store, look out for the Kukai Wallet over here, select update. If there's any update icon here, an outdated browser or operating system may cause compatibility problem, update you and reopen it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.